Blutbad.
Hello and welcome back to another behind the scenes toy photography video. Today I'm going to show you how I made the setup for this photo, which I've entitled Off-Duty Officers. I'll also show you how I edited the image in Photoshop. I used a bunch of Star Wars The Black Series toys for this photo. We've got a trio of Stormtroopers, some officers and a scientist I made by swapping the client's head onto Galen Erso's body, the bounty hunters Dengar and Q9-0, and finally Dr. Chelli Aphra and a Nightbrother. This was probably one of my most elaborate setups so far. I started by placing some cinder blocks on my ground surface. The propaganda posters are from StarWars.com and were originally designed by Amy Beth Christensen of Lucasfilm Animation. Next, I filled in the gaps between the blocks using HVAC registers to create one of my alley walls. I used a cardboard box to make this building on the right and an old cell phone for the news display up top. The bar entrance in the back was created by carving and painting a large piece of packing styrofoam. Check out this short here to see how I made the neon bar sign. I used a painted egg carton to fill out the scenery before placing assorted props around the scene to make it feel more lived in. With the scene built, it was time to add my toys. I was envisioning a bar that catered to Imperial officers, so most of my figures are from the Empire, but I also placed some extra scum and villainy around the peripherals of the shot. Lights out and time to shoot. Now onto my edit. Here's the starting image. I didn't need any big structural changes for this photo, just some touch-ups. So I began by correcting the rotation and perspective. It's dark in my basement where I shoot, so it can be tricky to always get the exact angle I want. Sometimes you have to tweak it in Photoshop. Next came adjustments to light levels, color balance, hue, and saturation, along with editing out the articulation points on the figures and the seams from the scenery. One last tweak to the perspective, and here we have the final image. This is where we started, and this is where we ended up. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please consider hitting that subscribe button. Thanks, and until next time.